if this is even worth posting, but this is my first time ever at Thunder Valley. This is a pro national track. They dug it up really deep, and I struggled. This definitely is by far the deepest track that I've ever ridden. They dug it up so deep that the ruts in the straightaway, I was scraping foot pegs. So, you know, in every single corner, dragging a foot peg through the corner, having to get my foot up way higher than I've had to in a long time. And I'm 37, I'm not quite as flexible as I used to be. So, yeah, I struggled. So, this is my first lap ever here at Thunder Valley, and I'll let you give it a watch. So as you can see, for a sight lap, I had no idea what was on the other side of anything. So I just took it nice and easy. Instant arm pump as soon as I got done with that lap. I had to go and take like a good 5-10 minute break and shake out all the arm pump. Did a couple more laps and just realized like I have a lot more work to do before I'm out here on this pro track after it's been ridden in with these lines. I just needed to focus more on the fundamentals. So what I did was I focused on this one corner here, and it was by far the hardest, longest, deepest rut on the whole track. And it was giving me problems, so I just decided to work it. And I spent, I don't know, like 15 minutes or so. Here's a few attempts. decided that probably a good idea to get off the track and let these young rippers have at it, and I'll stay out of their way. Yep. Thunder Valley's got trails, dude. What do you know about that? Nice, working on the basics, which is exactly what I'm doing today. And we're working on pivot turns. Basically, when you're on some single trail, you might have some snapbacks where you can't physically turn the bike around, so you have to pivot off the back tire. So this is really good practice for that. We got some grass right here and loose sand underneath, so if we do drop the bike, it won't be too bad. So yeah, it's super windy out here too, which makes it an added challenge. See if we can get it the third time. There we go. Beautiful.